Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire if you are new here, and I'm so excited about today's video. Number one, if you don't know, if you are new to my channel, I like to make lifestyle, beauty, fashion content, all of those kinds of things, productivity, but today I really want to focus on showing you guys how I do my self-care, because if you've noticed on my channel, over the last couple of months, my mood has like totally shifted on my channel, because back in the fall, winter time, I was in like this deep rut, and then around spring this year, my mood shifted because I changed my mindset, like I said, and I want to show you guys how I do that, and while I'm working from home. So I'm still working from home for the foreseeable future, but with that, it's important to take care of ourselves, because I know a lot of you can kind of relate. So I want to show you guys what I do to kind of treat myself, make myself feel glam and put together while I'm at home. And I know a lot of you can relate to this, but sometimes it just makes you feel better to feel pretty and feel put together, feel like you could go to the red carpet at any moment, even if you are stuck in your house. And that's what we're gonna do today. And I'm so excited, guys, because we are partnering with st.tropez for this video today, so you know what that means. We are going to be doing our self-tan routine. You guys know I love to do self-tanner at home. I love how easy and convenient it is, and these products that I'm going to show you guys today, we are going to do those in a minute, but they did send me these amazing products, and I'm so excited to try them with you guys today. So first we have the bronzing mousse, and this is the self-tan classic, so just super easy to use mousse. And then they also sent me a tan mousse remover, which I may check this out in another video, because this tan can last up to 10 days, which is super exciting. And I did already exfoliate yesterday and shave and all that good stuff, and it takes 4 to 8 hours, I believe, for this tan to set in. This right here is what I'm most excited about. This is the st.tropez Self-Tan Purity Natural Glowing Skin Bronzing Water Face Mist. I just literally read everything on the entire front, but this is what you just spritz on your face to give you that golden glow. And so I'm so excited to check these products out. They also sent a mitt, and we are gonna do our tan routine for the week. So it is a Monday, we're feeling good, we have energy. You can tell I'm looking a little rough right now. Like, obviously we're not gonna do it right this second because I need to take a shower. I did wake up early this morning. It's a Monday. I went to the gym, did my whole little thing, took my dog on a walk, and then just got back, and now I'm gonna go shower, and then we are gonna start our routine. And guys, honestly though, like I said, I like to feel like I'm put together even if I am working from home. And since I realized that that's what was missing from my routine, my actual mindset, my like mood, everything has shifted, and feeling tan makes me happy. You know, there's like a quote from the Kardashians where they're like, you feel better when you're tan. They feel better when they're tan. I don't know, I feel the same. And guys, I know so many people can relate, and so many people love this brand, and I'm just so excited to be checking it out with you guys today. Without further ado, I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm looking a little rough. I'm sorry we're always seeing each other like this, but since this is like a self-care, treat yourself kind of vlog, and just doing things that overall make me happy, we're gonna make ourselves happy. So you can see, or maybe you can't see, my hair was really sweaty to begin with, but I just got out of the shower. I went ahead and did my hair care, skin care, and I'm ready to go. I'm moisturized, all that good stuff. And before we put on our self-tanner, I think we're gonna run to Starbucks, and I'm gonna take Daisy with me. And you guys know that's like the highlight of my morning. Every single morning pretty much. Well, not every single morning. I'm trying to like cut back on that. Not gonna worry about really getting ready because we're just gonna go through the drive-thru, but I'm also about to make a video live really quick. Actually, I might do that when we get back. This is one of my favorite times of day, like in the morning before work, going and getting coffee with my dog. Well, we were going out to my car, and homegirl decides she wants to run down the road, and so we spent a solid 20 minutes trying to get her into the car, and now she's all out of breath. Okay, so we are back from Starbucks after our quite eventful morning, and I'm finally about to tan. So I'm all dried off. Make sure you are dry, make sure you have been well moisturized, make sure you're exfoliated like 24 hours before you even start. And we are going to begin with our bronzing mousse. Normally what I will do is I will start from the bottom and work my way up. So I will start pretty much like at my feet, and then go ankles, and then do like calves, shin, then up my thighs. We're basically just talking about the whole body. And so I'll do all that, and then I will do my stomach area and my back. Honestly, typically I'll just not wear anything while I'm doing this, but for the sake of this video, I'm wearing a sports bra right now. And then also it says wait until touch dry before getting dressed. And normally I have like a little fan in my room, and I will just go stand straight in front of that thing and turn the ceiling fan on as well until I'm touch dry. And I like to be a little safe on that aspect, which is honestly like a good thing because I'm home all the time. My camera's kind of low, and this mitt is honestly so soft. It's like a velvety feel. It's so soft, and you know it's gonna go so good on your skin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a couple pumps, and it's like this cute little mousse. Honestly, like it smells so good. So I'm just gonna do some pumps. So let's just see how this goes. See, I have bruises all over my legs as well, but that's honestly from lifting weights and sometimes I accidentally drop them. And overall, I'm just a very clumsy person. Okay guys, this smells so good, and I'll probably do like 2 layers of everything on every section of my body. Okay, we are getting close and personal here today, but you can see it just blends out so smoothly because of this mitt. And when I apply fake tan, a tip that I've learned is to always keep your knees kind of bent and always keep your elbows kind of bent. So that way it's not like, you know, I was gonna say crunchy, but I can't think of the word. After I smooth all of this out, after about 4 to 6 hours, once again, we will rinse off, and I can already see just like this golden glow. The lighting in here is really not the best, and these bruises kind of kill my vibe. But y'all, I swear it smells so good in here, and you can just tell this is gonna be like one of those really good tans. Another tip of something I like to do is do like small circular motions, because I feel like if you just do one way, it just kind of can make it streaky. But this mitt honestly will keep it from doing that, because it's just like that velvety feel that keeps, you know, everything kind of smooth, opposed to like, you know, one of those like hard crunchy kind. I don't know why crunchy keeps coming in my brain. This is a weird angle, but I'm gonna do the arms, and I'm gonna do like I've been doing and just applying the mousse onto this mitt and going straight into my arm. I probably could have done a little bit less than this amount, but I just can't get over how good this stuff smells. And yes, I know I have very hairy arms. I'm not sure if you can really tell on the camera, but my arms, I'm just a hairy girl. But it's blending in super nicely. I already like see the dramatic difference in my arms. Like this, even though it hasn't had like a chance to set in because I just applied it, like this is so glowy, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like once it's like set. So I'm gonna take my sports bra off and finish the rest. Okay guys, you can really like up close and personal, I meant to mention this earlier, see this zinger on my nose. Also I think I have a little bit of tan under my nose, so just like don't look at my nose right now, but you can already see like this golden glow I have going. I just applied it everywhere except for my face, and we are going to take this St.Tropez, I'm about to read the whole thing again like I did earlier, the bronzing water face mist. And so I'm just gonna spritz this everywhere. Y'all, this smells like a tropical oasis. Like y'all know, I went to Cabo earlier this year, and this smells like that. It just smells like paradise. And I'm just gonna kind of pat that in with the mitt, just to kind of give myself a little bit of whatever's left on this mitt. Okay, I actually just pumped like a tiny bit more just to kind of make sure like my ears are covered. I did get under my chin, I got behind my neck, I got all of those areas, but just because I like the look of having like a bronzy face, but I feel like this is more of that golden glow bronze, you know, so you don't have to worry about it looking too dark. So I'm really excited to see this set in. We've got to get rid of this bump. Okay, so like the instructions said, I'm gonna wait for it to be pat dry. It's still like a little damp on some parts of my body, so I'm about to go stand in front of the fan, and then we're gonna put on that t-shirt we had on earlier. So it looks a little bit messy, but I have been working for a while now. I have my candle going. I actually just lit this, and that's another thing that just makes me have a better day and feel more productive. It makes me feel like I'm not, you know, working from home. This is Bergamot Hot Waters from Bath & Body Works. I'm in the market for some new candles. Let me know for some of your favorites. Sorry, that was a bad sentence. Let me know some of your favorites. I am really excited because, you know, it's coming soon. Fall candles. So anyway, I'm about to sit down here. I just put a towel here just to be safe, even though my tan, I guess I can kind of show y'all now. My tan is pretty dry. You can see I have this glow going, and we're gonna let it dry for several more hours before we rinse it off. And then I've honestly been standing like right here, kind of like hunched over on my laptop because I didn't want to sit just yet, but I have my t-shirt on, and we are about to just sit here, do some work. I have some meetings this afternoon. I have been working for a while and I just took a break and ate some food. I didn't show y'all because it was just some leftovers from last night and it was the most Alabama thing ever. It was just some leftover fried okra. You guys know, like, if you're from Alabama or from the South in general, fried okra is like top tier, and I honestly am kind of still hungry, so we might make our little salmon concoction that I like to make all the time. I love making a good bowl of just like salmon, brown rice, broccoli, and then my little sauce that I put on it. I need like some protein. That was just like not enough, but I'm gonna get back to work for a little bit and then we might take a little lunchy break later. You can see I did not fully make my bed this morning, but it's okay. But another way that I have kind of improved my mood over the last few months, you guys know I used to like solely work from my bed, and I didn't realize like how draining that was on me, because I just kind of made me feel like I wasn't doing anything. Like I was literally horizontal most of the day. I was working, but it just did not feel as productive. But I've noticed since I've started working from my desk, I don't know what it is, it just kind of creates this environment that makes me feel more productive in my day and more like I'm actually like working. It is now already 1:30 and I have not had lunch really. Like I had that okra earlier, but I'm hungry, so we are gonna make us some lunch. And I think I mentioned earlier I was gonna make my little salmon mixture thing, but I actually forgot I have something. I forgot I bought this the other day in Publix, and we are gonna try this. I'm honestly like, I like cheese, but like sometimes like pasta ravioli things are not always my favorite, which is kind of weird, but this just sounds so good. And it says to cover with like your favorite sauce and extra cheese, but I think I'm just gonna put like a little butter because it's got so much cheese in it, and I think this is honestly gonna be super good. Go ahead and dump them all into this boiling water, and if I don't like it, then I'll just save it for someone in the house who does. But if I do, then that'll be a good little lunch for tomorrow. So this was the quickest thing I've ever made in my life. I'm about to try it. I put some butter on here. I'm probably gonna put like a little salt and pepper. It's gonna be super plain, but whatever. Not gonna lie, these are actually really good. They would be good with some sauce. Actually, do you ever have those things where like in the moment, like when you first start eating it, it's good, but after a few bites, you're kind of like, I don't know. That's kind of how I feel. I don't know, maybe it's just like the combo of cheese and I don't know what it is, but we have some for tomorrow if we want that. I really need to start like actually trying to eat more protein in the day. Yesterday I was accidentally a vegetarian for the day. I like did not have any meat, and I realized I have not had meat yet today. I don't know what's going on. It's just not coming to me, but I think we're actually having steak fajitas tonight, and those always make me happy. And I know this is kind of like how I treat myself and take care of myself at home, but I really want to reiterate that when you are working from home, I've said this in other videos, and I'm going to make another work from home tips videos. It's important to kind of just take time and step away from what you're doing, and whether it's to like go get a snack, go for a walk, go get coffee, go work out, like not spending all of your time in your room and like making yourself feel pretty and like feel good. I mean, you don't have to like get up and get dressed, but I have mentioned on here before, I do like to do my makeup most of the time, even if I am just working from home. I'm not today obviously because I'm tanning. Yeah, so anyway, we have had the tan on for quite a bit. I'm about to go to another meeting in 30 minutes. Sorry, the lighting is just pretty good in the fridge right now, but I have a meeting in I have a meeting in like 15 minutes, and then I'll be in meetings for the next like hour and a half, and then after that I'll probably rinse off our tan. Also random, but yesterday my stomach was hurting all day long. I don't know why. I think it was just like kind of like the combination of the food I was eating, but this kombucha is so good, and honestly, like, I just love kombucha in general. This is the Guava Goddess. Yesterday I think I had the strawberry one, but sorry, I spilled it behind it, but so good. 10 out of 10 recommend. I love kombucha, and I was saying this to say that it actually made my stomach stop hurting. I don't know what magical stuff is in kombucha, but I have a trilogy one in the fridge I think I'm about to open right now. This one right here, the trilogy, is a good one to try if you've like never had kombucha before, but yeah, I love kombucha. Also, I'm going to take some of that tan remover and erase this off of my hand in a little bit. I meant to do it earlier, but I forgot and I went into a meeting, but you can see the rest of my arm is like so tan. I just need to fix that spot right there, and that's really all. As far as the rest of the tan, it looks so nice right now. Like, I just feel like I look so goddessy. This has kind of turned into like a what I eat in a day, which is not being healthy so far. But guys, these from Target, you've got to go get them. And then like, but at the same time, it's a warning that once you get them once, you're gonna want to keep buying them. It's very dangerous. They're so good. They're the peach rings, and it's this new brand from Target called Favorite Day. y'all, I can't stop eating them, and 3 of them are 90 calories. So if you can only imagine like how quickly it is to go through these, because like you just want to keep grabbing them. Literally the best peach rings I've ever had in my life. I'm obsessed with them. You have to go try them. Daisy and I are outside taking a little break. I just got through with 2 meetings, and I was gonna start setting up to take a picture outside of my tan, and I might put on like shorts and a tank top or something to kind of show the products and stuff, because it's like fully set in now. It looks good. If you hear barking, that's my neighbor's dog, and if you're drinking, that's my dog. It's very loud. But it has been raining out here, and it's kind of like murky looking. So Daisy is like, please stop barking. But I'm thinking about putting like a blanket out over here and then setting up my tripod or something and just trying to take like a quick pic. So every time I go outside to try and take a picture, I think it's gonna be okay, but then this big boom happens of thunder. So this is where we're gonna try and do our setup, and I have a vision of what I want it to look like, but it's not gonna look anything like what I want it to look like. I already know. But we're about to have our little photo shoot. So it is a little bit later. It's like 7 now, I think, close to 7. So I went to the gym right after I took some pictures. They were a little awkward, not gonna lie. I wish it wouldn't have been raining so I could have taken them outside, but I went to the gym, stayed there for a hot minute, and now I'm about to go eat some steak fajitas. I just took a shower too. I'm about to do my skincare, I guess. I don't really have a full skincare routine, but tan is still on. I'm still looking glowy, and it felt nice like in the gym. Like I just felt like put together without makeup on, having like that facial glow. Watching Bachelor in Paradise now. I just ate my food, and now I'm eating, let's see if it'll focus, a brownie with ice cream. I haven't had this in so long. It just sounded so good. So here we go. Okay, so we're still watching Bachelor in Paradise. It's 8:30. It has been just like so long. But while I've been watching it, I have been organizing my closet. I had so many clothes. Literally, it was a pile of clothes on the floor, like gigantic. I could not even walk in here. But we have it all organized now for the most part. It's a little messy, but whatever. Well, it is so weird when you're like editing yourself and then you're filming yourself editing yourself. It's just so weird. But I've been editing this video, and it's currently, let me see what time it is, 9:51. How did it get to be that late? I actually have another vlog that's set before this vlog that I need to edit too. It's kind of confusing, but I'm gonna edit that vlog as well. But this has been like really productive. It's 9:51. My goal is to have this next vlog edited within like 45 minutes. It's 10:37, and I somehow managed to edit the next vlog, and it was almost a 20-minute vlog, so I'm very shocked. I edited 2 whole vlogs tonight. I'm proud of myself. Today was a very productive day. I realized I need to, something I really am trying to get better on is actually vlogging everything I do, and because sometimes I'll be like, hey guys, it's been a few hours, and I notice that a lot when I'm editing. Like I need to start like vlogging what I'm doing rather than talking about what I'm going to do. But I just edited the next vlog, and so now I'm about to just throw in this clip into the other vlog and then go to bed. I'm so tired, y'all. It is 10:37, past my bedtime. I have a busy, oh my gosh, y'all, I just remembered, tomorrow Starbucks fall drinks are back. I'm debating on whether or not to film like a solo video for those, but I think I'm kind of just going to maybe do a little Instagram reel. So excited. But I'll see you guys in my next video, and make sure to check out the st.tropez tan. Y'all, I'm still tan. You can kind of tell on my face. The lighting's really bad right now. This is kind of weird. And these are bruises, by the way. You can see I have just bruises all over my body, but my legs feel so smooth, and it's just so nice. And yeah, so definitely shower proof. I did take a full shower today, so we love it. I'll see y'all in my next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.